Here I have Huawei Honor 20i, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the home screen and wallpaper, then you have to select if you want to set yourself some of the magazine unlock wallpapers, like it's some kind of wallpaper that will change time to time when you lock and unlock screen and wherever. You can select one of the themes. You can select one of the pre-installed on your device, or you can download some of them from the internet and set up another theme, or you can just set wallpaper. You can select one of the preset images pre-installed on your device, or you can go to the gallery and select your own image or photo and set it as a wallpaper. You can adjust it here. And then tap here and then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And after that, wallpaper will be changed. And as you can see, wallpaper changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.